Sorry for that terrible intro last video and the raise animals video. Don't ask what that was, but I don't think I actually got to the tundra biome. Dude. Okay, wait. Where's YouTube? Skip to the end. Did I actually? No, I didn't. I didn't. Okay. Let's actually try to do it now. Where's my race animals? Right here. Okay. Hello. Okay, I have my shift box fixed. What is this? Ambanabu? Claim reward, I guess. Ruby claim. Cool, 5,000. Wait, what? My shift lock is still broken. What's wrong with it? I don't. This is making me mad. This is making me mad. Okay. My lion's level 41. I mean 9 now. Almost 50. And has a jelly mutation. I don't think that was on the last video. So that's cool. Yo, why are these so expensive? Ooh, money. Yay. Okay. Select. Let's go. I can do this, bro. I'm gonna do this today. I bet you $20 I can do this. No cashing into animals, first try, or else I end the video. Wait, no, that doesn't count as crashing into an animal. My video, my rules. I might not have enough charge for this. Let me think about these. Oh, I just ate. I'm gonna eat that now. Actually, I'm gonna eat this sausage. Actually, never mind. Yummy. So yummy. Where's our... Okay, we're almost to the next bite. I see it. Alright, this video will end very fast. Okay, let's try to get... Oh, wait, this is the... No, the seal was the legend... Oh, wait, never mind, it's not good. I thought it was good because I heard it was like... Oh, wait, I want to get you. I'll swap with you soon, don't worry. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, the sliding ability is really cool. Wait, this is the new fastest. Oh my god, I might just not switch. Yo, do I even have to? I mean, he needs the goal, so like. Womp womp.